Inverse functions. Notation of inverse functions f negative 1x, but carefully, it is not a reciprocal function. For example, if we have to write function reciprocal of f of x, we have to write like that. F of x negative 1 exponent, it would be 1 over f of x. Inverse function f negative 1x is not equals reciprocal. So carefully with notation. Definition of inverse function. The inverse function returns the original value for which a function gives the output. Let f of x and g of x be two functions such that composition f and g of x equals x for every x in the domain of g of x, and composition g and f of x equals x for every x in the domain of f of x. The function g of x is the inverse of the function f of x. The first example, we have to verify inverse function. We will check a value of composition of function f and g of x. We take our f and we have to find value of function f if independent variable equals g of x. G of x, it is inner function, x plus 7 over 4. Now it would be 4 times x plus 7 over 4 minus 7. We can cancel out 4 because we have multiplication in numerator. Now we have x plus 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 gives us 0, so we have x. Good, the first step works for us. Now we check composition of function g and f of x. So our outer function g, we have to find value if independent variable equals f of x. So 4x minus 7. It would be 4x minus 7 plus 7 over 4. Negative 7 plus 7 gives us 0. So we have 4x over 4. We can cancel out 4. It would be x. So x equals x. According to definition of inverse function, we can say function f and g inverse of the other. To find the inverse of function, we have to follow the following plan. The first step, for example, we have to find the inverse of f of x equals to x plus 7. Step 1, we have to replace f of x with y. It would be y equals 2x plus 7. Next step, we have to interchange x and y. X and y interchange. It would be x equals 2y plus 7. Now we have to solve for y or express y. Next step, we will subtract 7 from both sides of our equation. It would be x minus 7 equals 2y. Next step, we will divide it by 2 both sides. Y equals x minus 7 over 2. Last step, very important for us, we have to replace y with f negative 1x. We have to use inverse function notation. Inverse function of f of x equals x minus 7 over 2. It is answer for this example. Example 3. We have to find the inverse of function h of x. Step 1. We will replace h of x with y. Y equals 4 minus cube root 4x over 2. Now we interchange x and y. It would be x equals 4 minus cube root 4y over 2. Next step, we have to express y. We will multiply by 2 both sides of our equation. We have 2x equals 4 minus cube root 4y. Next step, we will subtract 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. Give for us 2x minus 4 equals negative cube root 4y. Now we have to divide it by negative 1 both sides. Negative 2x plus 4 equals cube root 4y. Next step, we can see using our definition of rational exponent, we can write cube root like negative 2x plus 4y 1/3. We remember our goal, we must isolate y. So we can use for both sides cube exponent. It would be negative 2x plus 4 cube equals 4y. Next step, we can divide it by 4 both sides. And we can write our answer. We replace y with f negative 1x, but we have h, so carefully we can write h inverse function. It would be 4 minus 2x cube over 4. But we can simplify a little bit. You can see 4 minus 2x cube. And parentheses, inside parentheses, we have common factor equals 2. So we can use factoring. It would be 2 minus x cube. According to property of exponent, we can write like 2 cube times 2 minus x cube. So it would be 8 2 minus x cube. Now we back to our answer. We can write here, so inverse function of h of x, it would be 8 2 minus x cube over 4. We can cancel out 4, it would be 2. We can write answer inverse function of function h of x, it would be 2 minus x cube. This correct answer for our quiz and test. Next example, we have to find inverse of a following irrational function h of x. So the first step, we replace h of x with y. Step 1, y equals 5th root x plus 1 plus 1. The second step, we have to interchange x and y. X and y, we interchange. X equals 5th root y plus 1 plus 1. Now we remember our goal, we have to express y. So next step, we will subtract 1 from both sides. It would be x minus 1 equals 5th root y plus 1. We can use property for rational exponent for our 5th root. So we remember, if we have nth root am, we can write like a power m over n. So for us it is very useful. We can write like x minus 1 equals y plus 1 1/5 exponent. Now we can see we need power equals 5 from both sides of our equation. we can write it would be y plus 1 equals x minus 1 to the fifth. Next step, subtract 1. Y equals x minus 1 to the fifth minus 1. Now last step, we have to replace y with h negative 1x. According to inverse function notation, h negative 1x equals x minus 1 to the fifth negative 1. It is our answer for example 4. Now we have to find inverse of a rational function f of x. The first step, we replace f of x with y. Y equals 4 over negative x minus 3. Step 2, interchange x and y. Interchange x and y, we have x equals 4 over negative y minus 3. Now we multiply both sides, negative y minus 3 and times here negative y minus 3. So we have negative y minus 3 times x equals 4. Now we remember our goal. We have to isolate y. Makes sense now divided by x both sides. It would be negative y minus 3 equals 4 over x. Next step, add 3 for both sides. It would be negative y equals 4 over x plus 3. Now multiply by negative 1 or divided by negative 1 both sides of our equation. It would be y equals negative 4 over x minus 3. Last step, replace y with f negative 1x. So inverse of given function, it would be f negative 1x equals negative 4 over x minus 3. It is answer for our example. Thank you for watching Math and Stat channel. See you soon.